Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export videos on CapCut PC. So you'll have a few options. Once you've selected the button, you're just going to select the export tab here. You're just going to rename your video anything you want. For instance, my one's like fishes, and then you're going to select the folder you want the file to export in. Here you are going to view these options. You can choose from these resolutions. I just go with the 1080p one, but you can go to 2K to 4K. You can even select the 480p one or 720p, sorry, but that's like a lower resolution, especially the 481. You can also select the bit rate. I'm not quite sure what it is basically, but there's lower, recommended, higher, customized, but I feel like it will make your video look better. You'll also have this one. This codec is more like colors, I think. I'm not quite sure again. You also have two formats you can choose from. I usually just go with MP4, and you can also select the frame rate as well. Once you're done, you're just going to select export, and that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!